our 36-inch 2-glass door refrigerator. First off, the dimensions. We have 35.5 inches in length. For depth, it's 20 inches. And for the height, before the caster wheels, will be 76.25 inches without, and with the wheels we have at least 77.75 with the wheels. Included will be two locks, and your keys will be provided in here, along with the instruction manual booklet. Also included will be 4 shelves on each side, total of 8. Coming in here, your schematics with the ETL NSF certification. Digital Corel analog. Back here, your standard 110, 120 outlet. And here, you will see it will be protected by a film which can be peeled off. This applies to the left and right side. The dimensions on the inside, we have 16.5 inches in depth. For the length, we have at least 31.75 inches. And the height, we have 52.25 inches. And coming in here, your 2 blow fans, left to right, LED strips. Our 36-inch 2-glass door refrigerator. For any additional questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, and we can assist. Thank you.